Are you dancing?
Yep.
Why don't you do some cool moves?
Oh, okay. Oh.
Whoa!
Maggie?
Whoa, that is the coolest move of all. Why don't you do some more? No? Again. That is cool. We need some music. Whoa. You have any more?
Just one.
Just that one? Whoa, that's cool. Very awesome. Oh, is that the chicken dance?
No.
What is it?
It's a ballet dance.
A ballet dance? There's some very nice ballet moves. Autumn, so what kind of dancing is it?
I'm a ballet dance.
A ballet dance? Very nice.
You know how to...
We're gonna back up a little.
Does she know how to skirtsy? Skirtsy.
Skirtsy? Do you know how to skirtsy?
No, I don't.
Or curtsy, maybe? Emery looks like he could be a break dancer.
What did he say?
Oh, he crawled all the way over there. Did you see him?
He's kind of crawling, and he has the headbands on his one eye. And that's the other. You look like a pirate.
Take the headbands off.
No.
Okay.
You look like a pirate.
Say goodbye.